Today we are going to carry on looking at number sequences for the last day this week. So your learning objective is to be able to complete number sequences. Remember, when we do these, we've got to find our rule as well to go with each one of them. So let's have a look at this number sequence here. We're missing the first one, but we've got two in the middle we have, okay? So we can find out what our rule is just by using those. So we need to start with 6 and we need to count up to 11 to find what the rule is. So we can count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I've counted up 5 that time. So our rule for this one is plus 5 if we are going forwards like this. But on this one, we're missing one at the beginning, so we need to go backwards from 6. So we can use our rule of 5 as well to count backwards. So we can go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So our first one would be 1, 6, 11. We need to add 5 now. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we'd write 16 here. And then we need to add another 5, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we've got 1, 6, 11, 16, 21. That would be our first answers here. Okay, so we know they are increasing, and we've done some going backwards as well to decreasing. And we know the rule is plus 5. So here we've got 7, 10. We've got a missing one, we've got 16 and another missing. So we'll count up from 7 to 10, 8, 9, 10. So that's only 3. So you know our rule is plus 3. So we need to go from 10 to the next one, 12, 11, 12, 13. So we put 13 here because we've added 3 more. There. And then 14, 15, 16, we've got to be here, 17, 18, 19. So our last number would be 19. So we know that they are increasing and our rule is plus 3. Here we go. This time the numbers are decreasing because we need to go backwards. So if we start off at 22 and count back to 18. So we go 21, 20, 19, 18. So we're going back in 4s. So we know our rule this time, instead of being plus 4, it's going to be minus 4 because we take away 4 of them, okay? So let's take 4 away again. 17, 16, 15, 14 would go here. Let's take another 4. 13, 12, 11, 10 would go in here. And then we go 9, 8, 7, 6 would go here. Okay, so 6, 10, 14, 18, 22. So we know that the numbers are decreasing because they're going backwards, and our rule would be minus 4 because it's going back in 4s. Let's have a look at this one. Here we can find out what our rule is from these two numbers because they're right next to each other and they can help us out a lot. So let's count forwards and we're going backwards now. These are decreasing. So we got 22 to 19. So let's count backwards. 21, 20, 19. So 3. So we know our rule is minus 3. We're going backwards in 3s. So if we start from our top one here first, 28, let's count back 3, 27, 26, 25. So we know that would go 25. We got 24, 23, 22, which is right. 21, 20, 19, great. And then 3 more backwards. 18, 17, 16 would go over there. Brilliant. So we know that the numbers are decreasing, and we know that our rule is minus 3. So if we go, I think this might be the last one we ever go at. So this one's going to be really easy. The numbers are decreasing because they're getting smaller as they go along. So let's have a look to see how many numbers we need as our rule here to go in between. So let's count back. 83, 82, 81, 80, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. So we've gone back 10, so all the way to 74. So we know our rule is minus 10. So for each one of them, we have to take 10 away from the number in front. So that would be 64, 54, 44. So our rule, so we know it's decreasing, and our rule would be minus 10. Right, so what I would like you to have a go at, you can have a go at pausing this video and seeing if you can do these ones yourselves. And then after you have completed these ones, there is an activity for you to complete as well, where you have to put in the missing numbers to continue the sequence and the rule as well. So once you've had a go at this, have a go at that, and then upload to Seesaw.